Hey guys, welcome back to our John Deere 420 crawler build. Got a little bit of an update since last time. We got our fenders all polished up and mounted. Got the battery box polished and mounted. Got the radiator in. A bunch of little incidentals here. Got the instrument panel done. Just setting in place right now. I got to put the gauges in. Got new wiring harness for it. Got to put a new wiring harness in. Got the starter, we're working on it. Working on the distributor. Got it all cleaned up and rebuilt. Gonna get it put in here today. So let's get the distributor put in. All right, we got our distributor all mounted up here. Got the bolts plated. Play these little clips here with the silver cad zinc plating. So I want to work on the instrument panel now. Got some new gauges we're going to put in. So we'll head over here to our portable workbench. All right, so I started wiring this up here, and I wanted to mention that I got the wiring harness from Agri Services in New York. I've used them years ago. We did a John Deere 630, and really liked this product and remembered how I use them. I wanted to use them for this. And I'll tell you what, this is a really nice setup here. He gives you pretty much, number by number instructions here where to put everything. I do have the schematics here with the John Deere service manual. So I'm just double checking everything. All the wires are numbered where they go. It's really easy. But just wanted to mention that. Real nice guy. Got a lot of products from him for this build here. The gauge, I got all the wiring for the lights, the dash, the ignition switch here, light switch, battery cables, just a bunch of little detail stuff that I got, stuff for the distributor. So I just wanted to give a shout out to Jim there from Agri Services. Thank you, Jim. All right, we got our instrument panel all done here. Got the wiring all kind of strung out, run our temperature probe here. Headlight wiring's in. These wires here are going to go to the generator once it's on. Got the oil pressure gauge on too. So we got to get a regulator for it yet. So I don't want to finish this installing this yet here till we get that in, because that regulator goes down the side here. So I got to pick one of them up and get it on, and get our coil and stuff mounted. So that's it for this time. I hope you enjoyed the update. Hopefully we'll have a little more of an update for next time. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you later.